Hi viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel Crunchy Tuners. Today we are going to see the clash of CSK plays on Kings
Punjab
11
Kings.
Punjab. This is going to be a vital game for Kings
Punjab
11
Kings.
Punjab, and still they're going to have chances to qualify for the playoffs, but they will be having some hope that if they win this match and if Kolkata Knight Riders, Mumbai Indians, they lost and Kings 11
Punjab
Punjab
Kings.
win with a very good net run rate, they still have some hopes for them to get into the playoffs. So let's get into the video viewers. So in this video we are going to see CSK's probable 11 against Kings 11
Punjab
Punjab,
Kings.
and we'll be seeing weather conditions, pitch conditions. Then we'll be looking into the Dream 11 top 5 picks. In this video we are going to see all those things. So don't skip this video, watch till the end and enjoy it. So we'll get into the video first with CSK's probable 11. Starting up with Ruturaj Gaikwad in the top, Faf du Plessis will be accompanying him. So another bad news for CSK is that Sam Curran to miss this IPL, and also he is going to miss the World Cup T20, which is going to happen next month, as he got injured very badly. So he will be missing all these big tournaments, so he is out of the IPL for this year. So we will be missing, and there is some chances of other replacement. And they had some West Indian guy who is going
Dominic
to
Drakes.
replace. He is also a recommendation of Dwayne Bravo. Hope so. So he will be just sitting in the squad, but hopefully he might get any chances in this match. Well, let's wait and see. So we'll go into the third. Number three will be none other than Moeen Ali. So there won't be any changes for this CSK. Only two changes might happen again. So number three, Moeen Ali. Number four, it's going to be again Uttapa might get the opportunity as Suresh Raina need a rest as he got an injury in the knee, so he must be fit for the playoffs. So Uttapa will continue at number 4. Number 5 will be Ambati Rayudu, or else we might look up into an extra bowler in place of Rayudu. Maybe we can expect that West Indian guy
Dominic
in
Drakes.
place of Dwayne Bravo, but in place of Rayudu we may expect Jagdishan in place of Rayudu, as he didn't got much opportunities from the last season also. He just played 2 or 3 matches, but his performance was average one. He was better than Rutraj Gaikwad last year in the beginning matches. So he may get an opportunity here against Kings 11
Punjab
Punjab.
Kings.
So in place of Rayudu, maybe we may have Jagdishan. So number 5 will be Jagdishan or Raidu. Number 6 is going to be as usual Tala Dhoni. And number 7 will be Ravindra Jadeja. Number 8 Dwayne Bravo, or else the other West Indian guy.
Dominic Drakes.
And number 9 is going to be Shardul Thakur. Number 10 it will be Deepak Chahar. And number 11 we may expect Imran Tahir, or else we might get with the same Josh Hazlewood, or Lungi and Gidi might come into the side. Anything can be possible. So these are our probable 11 against Kings 11
Punjab
Punjab.
Kings.
So we will look up into the weather conditions, pitch conditions right now. Weather conditions, as usually, there is sunny. Only the humidity will be changed at Abu Dhabi. So that will be the only change. But as far as the weather in UAE, it's gonna be humid. So toss predictions, what I'm going to say is that teams which are all winning the toss should definitely go for a chase. As far as the chase, it's going to be bat and ball cricket, as I'm telling that, because in the beginning if the team batting first, they won't get the ball into the bat as the pitch is slow. it may get some time, and even the length and variation will be changing a lot, and there will be a lot of swing in the beginning of the match. So batsmen will be struggling very hard, as we also saw the match between Rajasthan Royals takes on the Mumbai Indians at Sharjah wicket. Even there, Rajasthan Royals fails uh, to get into the playoffs, as also they were in a very bad situation, like they got out of 90 in the score of 90s. So batting has been very struggling in the for the teams which are all batting first. So my kind advice is teams which are all winning the toss, they will definitely go for a chase. Toss will win the matches in UAE. That's what says the experts. So here the toss prediction, teams which are all winning the toss, they should definitely go for a chase. Pitch report, as far as we saw, I told you already, it's a slow wicket. And Abu Dhabi, as far as we see, one side will be a lengthy one and other side will be some shorter one. If CSK looks on the dimensions and make fielders arrange it according to that and give a over to bowlers who are wicket takers, they should probably go on a plan with the dimensions and keep the field and get a wicket, as they got lost continuously last two matches, one against Rajasthan and other against DC in a very short run. So they will be making to win this match to get them in the first, to make them in the top position. But there is no chances for CSK to get down at number 3. They will be at the top 2, as RCB lost yesterday against Sunrisers. So CSK don't have any chances to leave top 2, but they will be hoping to get into the first position. So these are our stats, viewers. Hope you all enjoyed it, and now we'll look into the final Dream 11 top 5 picks. We'll start up with Robin Uthappa might play well in this match, as he couldn't able to perform well in the last match, as we all know how he used to play in the IPL. He had a tremendous records in the IPL. Even he was playing in the Kolkata Knight Riders, he had a best batting records. So he may perform well in this match. So if you are selecting a player in the Dream 11, you can go for Robin Uthappa at number 1. So number 2 in our Dream 11 top 5 picks is going to be none other than the captain of Punjab Kings. It's KL Rahul. KL Rahul also been in a very good record. He is in the top of the list in the orange cap list. So he will be also seen performing well, as it's their last hope to get into the playoff. So they won't lose this hope. They will go for it, and Rahul will go for it. So number 3 in our Dream 11 top 5 pick is going to be none other than the champion of CSK, Dwayne Bravo. Dwayne Bravo has also in the last match he failed to ball some nice and off cutter, and it went for a wide in the last two balls. It failed CSK to a loss, and also there is a big loss. It's due to Krishnappa Gautam's drop catch. So Bravo will be playing well in this match. So he will be our Dream 11 top 5 pick, third person. So number 4 in our Dream 11 top 5 pick, it's going to be from Punjab Kings. It will be none other than Ravi Bishnoi. Ravi Bishnoi has been bowling really well, and his leg spin and googly will definitely confuse the batsmen. And also Dhoni has a very poor records, and many of the CSK middle order batsmen have been having a very poor average against leg spinner. So Ravi Bishnoi will have a good battle against CSK. So he will be our Dream 11 top 5 pick, number 4th person. So last but not least, the number 5th in our Dream 11 top 5 pick, it's going to be none other than it's Ravindra Jadeja. Ravindra Jadeja, uh, in the beginning matches he didn't play well, but when he started playing against RCB in that last over 37 runs went, so he got his terrific form right now. He can also ball. He's also bowling really well with the ball also. So he has a tremendous all-round performance. So we can expect a very good performance against Punjab Kings. So he will be our Dream 11 top 5 pick last person. So hope you all enjoy it, viewers. So if you like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press a bell icon once you subscribe to our channel. So stay tuned and stay safe, guys.